Good day, ma'am. This is Teresa and Aguilar, and for this video, I'm going to execute the laboratory activity 2, which is the network switch configuration. And for this laboratory, we have the objectives in setting up a local area network using network switch. First is to use data network simulator software. Second is to establish network of switch and computers. Third is to be able to explain common technical concepts in switch configuration. And we have our requirements, of course, to make this laboratory. And these are the Cisco Packet Tracer software or other network simulator if wala po nung Cisco Packet Tracer software. Ito po yung Cisco Packet Tracer software. And also, the laboratory instructions handout as a guide for making this laboratory. This is po yun. And now, we will going to execute the procedures. So, first, using the software, construct a star topology with a switch and 3 computer nodes. Una is yung switch and yung tatlong PC po. Depende na po sa atin kung ano po yung gusto nating sunod-sunod. But ako po, ganito po yung pakakaayos ko na gusto. Oops. I-click ko. And para makonect yung PC sa switch, I'm going to use po straight through cable. So, yan. And next procedure, configure the network by assigning the IP addresses and subnet masks as follows. For PC0, 192.168.1.10. For PC1, 192.168.1.11. For PC2, 192.168.1.12. The subnet mask for all PCs is 2.255.255.255.0. Capture images. So, just double click po the PC. Assign the IP address. So, capture images. Image. For PC1. .1, .11. For PC2. .168.1.12. Capture images. Image. So, proceed to procedure number 3. Use the ping command to test the connectivity of each pair of nodes. Capture image. I'm going to test the connectivity of PC0 po to PC1 and PC2 first. Desktop. Command prompt. First, config po muna natin yung PC0. Use ipconfig command. Yun po. Then, ping first the PC1. Ping PC1 with 32 bytes of data. Ping statistic for PC1, 0% loss and 0 millisecond per day time. Ping PC2, 192.168.1.12. Yun. Ping PC2 po with 32 bytes of data. Ping statistics for PC2, 0% loss also and 0 milliseconds per average. Capture image. So, ngayon naman po, PC1. Connectivity of PC1 to PC0 and PC2. Configure. Ping PC0. Ping PC0 with 32 bytes of data. Ping statistic for PC0, 0% loss. Average time is 1 milliseconds. Ping PC2. Ping PC2 with 32 bytes of data. Ping statistics for PC2, 0% loss, and the average time is 0 milliseconds. So, capture image. Okay. Ngayon naman po, PC2 to connectivity of PC2 to PC0 and PC1. IP config. First ping PC0, 192.1. Ping PC0 with 32 bytes of data. Also, ping statistic for PC0 is 0% loss and average time is 0 milliseconds. Capture image. Oh no, not yet. Ping PC2 po pala muna. Ping PC2. The ping statistic for PC2 is also 0% loss and the average time is 3 milliseconds. Capture image. And okay na po tayo sa procedure 3. Now, go to procedure 4. After establishment of connections, send PDU from PC0 to PC1. And observe the network response through simulation mode. Click auto capture or play and magka-capture po ng images. And we're going to send PDU po. By the way, PDU po is the protocol data unit, which is a specific block of information transferred over a network. It also stands for Power Distribution Unit because of its function. So, ito po yung gagamitin natin is yung simple PDU. Just drag it papunta po sa papunta sa source natin, which is the PC0, papunta sa receiver, which is the PC1. Para ma-observe natin yung network response po ng PDU na yan, click po itong simulation. Then, right click, papunta dito sa PDU list window. Bakit ayaw? Show all none. Edit filters, just po select the ICMP, ICMP po stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. It is a network layer protocol that diagnoses the network communication issues. It determines the data that will reach its intended destination in a timely manner. Also po, the STP. And STP po stands for Spanning Tree Protocol. It is it monitors all the links of the network and it uses algorithm known as STA or spanning tree algorithm to find redundant links. So, yun na po. Play. And makikita pala po natin dito sa PDU list window that the status po is still in progress. Ang source po is yung PC0, tas yung destination is yung PC1. Play. The PDU was sent to the switch po. Then, from switch to PC1. And PC1 replied back to the switch going back to the source, which is PC0. In just 4 milliseconds po, yung PDU nakabalik siya sa source. And makikita po dito na it was successful. Capture image. And patuloy lang po natin. And you can see that the STP nagkaroon po ng mga X means walang nakuhang mga redundant links sa kada pieces. So, in Procedure 5, observe the network status and the flow of PDU. Yun na nga po yung sabi ko kanina na yung PDU was sent by PC0 to switch going to PC1 and PC1 replied back to switch going back to PC0 in just 4 milliseconds. And yung STP naman po, it can be seen here that the envelope has X. It means that wala pong na-find na redundant links yung STP na sinend natin. So, Procedure 6. Repeat Procedures 4 and 5 for PC0 to PC2. Ulitin lang daw po. For PC0 naman po to PC2. Na-screenshot ko na kaya yun. So, yan. The PDU was sent by PC0 to switch going to PC2 and the PC2 replied back to switch going back to PC0. Capture image. Play. And yung STP naman po yung gagalaw ngayon at magpa-find siya. Hindi ko na-pause pero po nakita naman na nag-X ulit yung envelope. It means na wala siyang na-find na mga redundant links. Hindi ko na po siya na screenshots. So, I observe when I sent PDU from PC0 to PC2, pareha lang nang nangyari po nung doon sa procedure 4, which is yung PDU sinend ng PC0 going to switch and going to PC2, then the PC2 replied back to switch, going back to the source. And it can be seen here in the PDU list window that the status is already successful, and yung STP po, walang na-find na redundant links, kaya yung envelope is nag-EX. And yung PDU was sent, yung ICMP po, PDU, was sent in just 1.218 seconds. Nag-continue lang pala po yung time since pinaghalo ko na lang sila. So, yun po. That's all po. Thank you.